Open the door. Open the door. Put on your diapers and fasten your seatbelts. Today we have a big vote. Challenge the Ferrari V12 ceiling with a civilian performance car. From 3 cylinders of small potatoes to 800-volt electric guns. Even moved out of the off-road Big Mac. The whole process of high-energy reversal. The Ferrari official saw it and forced them to serve me. First we start with 3 vats of beggars. The Toyota G2 Alice 1.6T 3-cylinder machine produces 630 horsepower after focusing. 4WD plus manual transmission plus short wheelbase plus lightweight car. With such a flexible figure. Those big guys know that what is concentrated is the essence. The opponent he is going to challenge is the Ferrari 8, powered by a 6.5-liter V12 engine. Output 800 horsepower, 718 twisting meters. Torque, rear-wheel drive, with 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox. It weighs 1,630 kg. Sold for $5 million. The second Golf for Bauma, and 2,402, Golf to hardcore transplantation, Audi RS3's 2.5 T5 cylinder heart 400 horses, exploded 1,034 horsepower. The 5-cylinder Madman Volkswagen skin hides the Audi new BMW 22,402. The 3.0 T straight 6 heart, 333 horses, exploded 1,014 horsepower. The opponent they want to challenge is a 1,000 horsepower Ferrari Woman 90. The third BMW M3 Tori 30T column 6-cylinder S58 engine blows up 1,000 horsepower for grunt drive, with Kayevo 8. It weighs 1865 kilograms. The opponent he wants to challenge is a 1,000 horsepower Ferrari 90. Oh, look! Oh! For Dongjing God Award GT 23.8 TV6 output 600 horsepower for Golf, drive with 6-speed dual-clutch gearbox, weighing 1,725 kilograms. The original God of War. The opponent he wants to challenge is the 800 horsepower Ferrari 812 Super. The fifth new BMW M4.4 TV8 Plus motor blows up 1,000 horsepower 4-column drive with Kayevo 8. Seriously set off by Bavaria. The opponent he wants to challenge is also a 1,000 horsepower Ferrari Woman 90. Ha ha ha! The 6th Nissan Thule is transplanted to the GT2's 3.8 TV6, plus a turbo output larger than the face basin. Terrible 3,000 horsepower 4-column drive with 6-speed dual-clutch gearbox. It was simply a grumpy mobile tank. The opponent he wants to challenge is a 1,000 horsepower Ferrari Woman 90. Twice promoting God. The 7th Kia New Energy EV6 GT is equipped with a dual-motor 4-wheel drive system. Output 641 horses, 770 cavalry riced, a high-performance pure electric SUV from Kia. The opponent he wants to challenge is the 6.5-liter B12 1725 horsepower Ferrari's first SUV pure.